paano nga ba i-withdraw yung mga COL Financial earnings natin and i-transfer on our personal bank accounts.
The first thing we need to do is to make sure that our account details is correct. In order to do that, we go to Home, tapos Change Profile. Verify your information. Kung may mali man dyan or unupdated, just click Edit. Okay, ayan. And then Submit and Print. But on my case, updated naman, so cancel natin. After that, click Portfolio.
Kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano mailagay sa balance natin yung mga earnings natin for withdrawal, check out this video. Dito ko din-discuss kung paano mag-sell ng shares in the platform.
And then, withdrawal request. Important announcements. So, nakalagay lang dito na ang cut-off for acceptance of withdrawal requests for same-day processing will be at 7 a.m. as of right now. And before proceeding to your withdrawal request, make sure lang na tama yung details natin, which is chinek naman na natin in the first place. Okay, so click natin yung OK button. Step 1, enter amount to withdraw. In order to know kung ano yung pwede nating i-withdraw, click natin yung View Balances. Makikita niyo dito sa right side yung total withdrawal amount. Let's just select it and then right-click tapos copy natin yung amount natin. Click Close, then i-paste natin yung amount dito. So, yung options mo dito is either to deposit to enrolled bank account, check pickup, uncross-check, or withdrawal through a representative. On this case, dito tayo sa deposit to enrolled bank account. Click natin yung view bank details. Again, double-check nyo lang kung tama yung details nyo. So, may important reminder dito. Your bank account names should match your COL account name. Dahil possible na ma-reject nung bank yung deposit natin from our COL Financial account. That will force COL to release yung mga withdrawals natin through check pick-up from yung business center nila. So, hassle yun sa atin, especially if malayo tayo dun sa location ng business center nila. And make sure that your bank account is still active, accepts check deposits, and that the details of your bank account are consistent with the bank account as registered with COL. Kasi kung hindi, may invalid yung bank account natin and magkaka-service charge tayo ng 100 pesos. So, kung mali yung information mo dito, just click update. If tama naman, just click confirm. And then, hit submit. So, deposit to bank account, click yes. And ayan, i-verify din lang. Just click submit. And then, mapapansin nyo dito that the other options will automatically be set to no. And then, click submit. Enter your password, tapos click confirm. Eto na, meron na tayong withdrawal request confirmation. So, makikita nyo yung details natin dito and yung transaction number. Click close and then ibabalik tayo sa portfolio natin. Makikita nyo yung actual balance natin is still there. Kakasubmit lang natin, hindi pa yan mag-reflect. Punta tayo dito sa withdrawal status. Ayan, makikita nyo dito yung details of our withdrawal request. And then yung status niya is received. So, dito sa baba makikita nyo withdrawal request received from the web. Tapos kung for processing na siya, the withdrawal request is in progress and makikita natin na mag-reflect siya sa buying power natin. And then kapag processed naman, na-complete na yung withdrawal request and pumasok na yung money natin sa account kung saan natin withdraw. So, in this case, BPI. Kapag cancel natin yung withdrawal request, and kapag rejected naman, it was rejected by the system and has not been processed due to insufficiency of available cash, deficiency in the submitted withdrawal request form, or due to the non-submission of form within the specified time. So, kung may papalitan kayo dun sa request nyo, kaka-receive pa lang naman at hindi pa for processing, you can still edit it over here. Pero hindi tayo mag-edit, so just click no. By the way, pansinin nyo dito kung anong date and time tayo nag-request. It's April 18, 2023, 9:45 a.m. Close na natin. And that's it. Hintayin na lang natin until ma-process yung withdrawal request. So, babalikan natin yan mamaya.
4 hours later.
Makikita nyo dito na nakatanggap tayo ng email the same day, April 18, 2023 at 1:21 p.m. This is yung withdrawal receipt nila.
The next day.
A day later, on April 19, 2023 at 7:56 a.m., na-receive ko na yung notice of debit adjustment email. Meaning, na-credit na ito sa bank. And as you can see here, processed na yung status sa COL. Double check natin. Let's go to the BPI app. By the way, you can check out my video kung paano mag-open ng account sa BPI over here. Ayan, you can see here, April 19, na-credit yung 42K natin. So, from our request, na-process within 2 days lang yung withdrawal request natin.